lock and lower your bed, wash my hands, provide privacy, take your call light. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and make sure this shoe's raised to a 75 to 90 degree angle. And then you want to have a clothing cover, toothpaste, toothbrush, basin, and water. Alright. Go ahead and put your clothing cover on. Alright, so I'll wet my toothbrush. Go ahead and apply your toothpaste to your toothbrush. Alright, Miss Jones, open your mouth for me, please. So I'm going to make sure I get all surfaces of her teeth. Smile for me. Alright, now brush your tongue. Alright, good. There's just some water. You want some more water? Alright, good. Alright, go ahead. Take off her clothing cover, wipe her mouth. Alright. I'm going to take her clothing cover, that goes in the dirty linens. I'm not going to pour this water down the sink. Rinse the basin, then go ahead and pat it dry. Go ahead and rinse the toothbrush. Alright, and then I can put her toothbrush and her toothpaste back inside the basin. I'll go ahead and get my trash and throw all this away. Alright, take off your gloves, wash your hands. I'm gonna leave you sitting up for a few minutes since I just gave you some water. Provide privacy, hand you your call light, make sure your bed's locked and lowered, and skills complete.